Hey everybody, welcome to the channel 7S26 Simon. Today we're going to look at this machine here. It's called Sunset Noontide. Now, this is marked as very easy, so I'm expecting a nice, super easy box that we can potentially learn something from. I don't know. Maybe we won't learn any new skills, maybe we will. Either way, I'm going to go ahead and install it, and you will join me in just a second when it's all installed. Okay, so we are now ready to go. I've just set up Terminator. We're going to do this a little bit more organised, I think, today. So we have just got a mouse pad open, so we can start to just take some notes as we see fit. So I just did a quick check on my network and I found out the IP of this machine, so let's go ahead. Let's just do a super quick. Again, I always like to do that super quick nmap scan. So, okay, IP, we've just got one port open. Okay, now we're just going to come back and let's just scan every single port. That one's interesting though, it gives us something to look at. Let me just see whether we can... Okay, we can't get to this, it may need an IRC client potentially. There's a bunch more ports open, so let's take these as well. Interesting, it doesn't look as if it's got... It doesn't look as if it's got a web address open. So let's just do 666.7.2.8067. And just while it's doing that, let's see what this says. It says very easy, do not overthink it. It doesn't tell us how many flags there are, presumably 2. Okay, nice. So when we've looked at the version, it comes back with this, so we're probably better copying all of this. Unreal IRCD. Exploit. Backdoor command execution. Okay. Presumably that's what this is, but we can't seem to find out how do we enumerate that version. So it looks like there's an IRC, Unreal IRCD backdoor script. Here we go. Okay, so yeah, this looks like it's going to do exactly what we want. Oh god, look at this. This is a crazy long command. Okay, let's go in here and let's maybe edit this. This is huge. What's this? So it's going to do nmap on this port. It's going to look at a backdoor script and then it's going to run a command. Okay, it's gonna... Looks like it's gonna try to make an executable netcat, and it's gonna listen on port 4444. Oh, it looks like we might just be able to... It looks like we might just be able to do something like this. Let's just give this a go, because this... It's supposed to be an easy machine, it's not supposed to be too difficult, so I'm thinking maybe 168.5.921. Let's just see what this does. This might be a little bit... Oh, we haven't got anything. Sudo apt install ncat. Okay, let's get ready to run that command. Connection refused. Using system. Okay, let's just see if we can run. That's connection refused, okay. Let's see if this works. Initiating. Oh, that went too quickly. So it's trying to send the command. Reason. Looks like that's refused. So if I just run ID, yeah, that's failed. So I was actually hoping that would have come back. I just wanted to. Oh, here we go. Maybe this is what we need. 192.168.5.91. I just want to see if what version of Unreal this is running. That's kind of what I wanted, really. Doesn't seem to say, but I'm gonna guess it's MSF console. I'm gonna guess that this is what they want us to do. So let's go ahead and start this. See, it's always these machines that say they're really easy. They do. It's so easy to overthink. Oops, I didn't mean to copy that. Where are we? That's what we want. Show options. Okay, set all hosts. 192.168.5.91. Do we need to set anything else? Don't think we do. Exploit. Oh, we do. Oh, we need to set a payload. Okay, let's go for we can bind via Perl. Okay, set. See if this works. Okay, command shell session 1 open. So, who am I? We are a user called server. Okay, so what we always like to do is Python shell. We're going to upgrade our shell. Well, we're going to see if we can. This is the command we want. Okay, it's not going to work, probably maybe because we're inside Metasploit, but that's a useful command anyway, so maybe make a note of that one if you're watching along. So, cd ls. Okay, so we're actually, right now we are inside that folder. I'm just kind of, I was actually expecting a flag. Are there any flags on this machine? I don't know. It doesn't actually say if there's any flags. So I'm not sure if there is. Anyway, let's do cat on this conf file. Okay, that looks somewhat like a password. I wonder if that's a password. Cloak keys. Okay, here we go. Now we've got a login and password. I wonder if that's going to be our way of escalating. Accept ban. This is quite a large file full of interesting information. I'm gonna presume, look, nick serve, so it's IRC. I wonder if we can connect to the IRC using that particular password, username password. Okay, first of all, let's go to home server. Okay. That's really weird. Can we do a CD? It just doesn't seem to let us change the directory, which is a little bit strange. But never mind. Just a bit weird. It makes me think something's not fully. Let's just try something and see. Okay, user bin cat 192.168.1. What's my IP? My IP is .5.176. Execute bin bash. Bin bash. Okay, so we've got another shell here. I just want to see if our Python. Let me go back and get that. Let's keep a copy of this ready. It's still not going to work. How annoying. Okay, not a problem. Ah, here we go. Cat txt. So we've got an MD5 hash. Well, it looks like an MD5 hash. We can use MD5. Actually, it's called hash identifier. And yeah, it's coming back. Possible hash is MD5. So let's go Google it. Okay. And that just brings back some images of Kali Linux. So it looks like that's just some sort of flag. I don't think it means anything. MD5 decrypt, or crack really, is the more appropriate term. Let's see if we can decrypt this or crack it. No result. Yeah, I think that's just probably, I guess it's a flag. I'm not sure. So okay, so cat etc. password. It looks like there's only a couple of basic, basic accounts. Root is there. Su root. Okay, so we can use su. Su is a command. Switch user root. Let's just should we just type in root, see if it's should we check the bash? Bash history has been set to dev null. Oh. Okay. It looks like we didn't get any confirmation, obviously, but it looks like the password for root was root, because if you look here, we are running as root. So that is the box complete. Let's go to Here we go. And there's the final flag. Thanks for playing, and that is our proof.txt. Okay, wow, so that was the box complete. That was an interesting one. I think it falls under easy. I don't know about very easy. Yeah, it probably is. It's not massively complicated. The root kind of found that by accident, really. I'm not sure. But hey, maybe this is the lesson for this session, that weak passwords are a thing. I'm not sure if you'd ever find this in real life, but hey, maybe you will. Maybe someone hasn't changed the default password. You know, maybe someone hasn't upgraded the software. So this is quite a cool machine. Who created this one? White Crows. So yeah, nice, Philippe. Nice job on the box. Thank you for this one. Okay, so that's it now for Vulnhub. We will be back with probably, let's go on Try Hack Me after this, and we'll do some boxes there because we haven't been there for quite a while. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.